Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the video output is currently active error in OBS. This error occurs when you try to change the settings in OBS, but it won't let you because the video output is already active. Fortunately, this is a common issue and can be easily fixed. So, let's get started. Step 1. Stop the OBS Studio recording or streaming. The first thing you need to do is stop the recording or streaming that is currently in progress in OBS. You can do this by clicking on the Stop Recording or Stop Streaming button in the Controls section. Step 2. Go to Tools tab and click on the plugins that you have installed on OBS and disable them. In my case, I have Teleport plugin installed. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can fix the video output is currently active error in OBS and continue with your recording or streaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.